strong five right away for the South Cotabato Warriors.
And here's Mark Cruz, kakagaling lang sa injury to. Missed the last 2 weeks of action as Enzo Joson gets the first basket. Oh, Rodriguez, Jammer Hamito uses the fake. Lumapit, no go. Hamito again. Staying strong, Jammer Hamito puts it in for 2. It's a steal by Joson. Quickly to Valacuña. Nice pass to Joson. It's a quick 6-0. And that's the way to go. Get easy baskets early on. Get out in transition as Chris Javier finally to the left. Manzanilla with the rebound. Quickly to Reyes. Rafi with a runner off the glass and in.
And John Wilson, na-mention nyo nga, will miss this game due to his elbow injury na nakuha niya versus Marikina. Pero kasamang nagbabalik ni Coach Elvis ay ang mga 100%.
Reyes. Now with Lau. 3 is good. Mark Cruz. Handoff. Acuña.
Good pass.
Nice. Extra pass. Hamito puts it in and 1.
With great.
Deles. Now with Lau. 3 again. Back-to-back para kay Kent Lau. 6 points.
Coach Randy responsible dun sa revival nung program na yan. And, up to now.
Actually, it's doing well now.
And that's why.
Joson. 2-man game with Cruz. Nice man and ball movement again from Tao right there. Hindi lang sila nakatingin doon pag nasa poste na yung bola.
Yes, and you know, sometimes they're being forced because right now the way this game is going, open court situation na ayun yung challenge for this South Cotabato Warrior veterans.
Jammer Hamito. Big. Elorde Tolentino.
Good pass.
Extra pass. Here's Dumapig. He started that fast break. They go to Jervy Cruz again.
Favorite play.
Cruz, the turnaround, and
you know, these guys, itong si Jervy Cruz, Ken Bono in their last, more exciting.
Jervy Cruz, 7 points in the ball game.
Sa tingin ko, in terms of role sa team, pareho sila talaga ni Deles eh. Mga undersized doon sa posisyon nila. To shoot early in the shot clock. Pero right now, pinapagod muna nila yung offense, which is, to me, makakatulong yan sa pag-run nila, sa
ball poked away, Christian Fajarito.
Good pass.
Nice pass kay Enzo Joson. Santos has time, fires a 3. Wala. Burgos. And he banks that one in. They have gotten away with a double dribble there. Burgos. Oh, nice move. Charles Burgos.
Second time, consecutive shots na point blank eh. Malalapit na, hindi lang talaga pumapasok. Hindi katulad nitong
balik na siya dito, kasabay niya si Joson and Valacuña. And Jammer Hamito is also in the game. Nice fake. Casajeros a bit more. Hamito leading the break.
He's gonna go all the way.
Jammer, yes sir. They go to Larry Rodriguez, Lau. Janisha for 3. Yes.
Yung batch kasi niya na naglaro for the Light Bombers.
Well, nag-iwa-hiwalay na.
Pero I'm just proud of this yung group yun kasi may yung
defender.
And you know, ang maganda kasi dito, it doesn't matter. Was one of the best Marikina in terms best in Marikina.
No, if he gets that opportunity again, as we were talking about Marvin Janisha, anytime that he wants to get his points, no? Here's Alanes with a drive, and he scores the 2 points. Pajarito, 3, no. Junicio with the offensive rebound, and he gets the 2 points.
Oo. Mas nakita niya may nakadikit na dito sa flow ng offense yung team niya.
Oo. And Tolentino scores.
And siguro sa akin, kanino ka pa bang matututo ng shot selection? Di ba? You have John Wilson playing, you're playing.
Alanes, it's Javier. Fake the handoff, draws cross closer and bangs that one in. A lot of standing around here dito sa opensa ng Bicol. As Deles knocks down the 3.
Try nila i-compile yung mga shots taken 8 seconds sa shot clock pababa. Ang taas ng kanilang
Javier to get that basketball. Here's Marwin. Finds Elorde. 3. Yes!
Yeah, good pass.
Good, ha? Like, minsan ka rin mag-champion ng season 99.
Sana sa Delph.
Enzo Hosson for 3. Quezon City.
Oo.
Bilangan ng overtime. Tapos yung Bataan. As Shaq Alanes
Na big third quarter for South Cotabato. Suddenly, this lead balloon. 19 now to 21.
Oo. Cruz leans in for the jumper. Inside, and that trickles in para kay JR ng Sang, especially kanilang mga big men.
Oo. And again, I think that's the way also. And
Rafi Reyes umatake using the left hand. That's short. RJ Deles able to save it. Only to Fajarito. Lost the handle and recovers and scores.
kasi mahaba yung oras na nagkukumpete sila sa Delph.
Oo.
Si teams na pwede mo i-discuss after this game.
And Fajarito knocks down the 3.
Yeah, it's just a 3-pointer. 6 South Cotabato in this second half.
No, 27% 3-point shooter itong si Christian Fajarito. Lantaya is denied by Burgos. Burgos lays it in for 2 and 1.
Ito once every time na bibigyan siya ng opportunity.
Alanes foul and the basket.
Answer by the Bicolandia Aragons.
Hosson. Fajarito knocks down the jumper. Alanes taken away by Hosson. Preco back to Hosson for 2.
Is not gonna play anymore.
Alanes scores. And that will do it. Okay. And